Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be performing an engine oil service on a 2015 Ford Explorer V6 engine. This is the part number for the engine oil filter from Ford. Depending on the condition of the drain plug gasket, you may or may not need to get a new one, but here's the part number in case you do need one. And it looks like this with the built-in green gasket. Before we start draining the oil, we're going to open up the oil cap. That'll increase the flow. Once you have the vehicle jacked up and secured, you're going to come underneath and you'll find the oil filter right in the front. Now these are supposed to be hand tight, so you should be able to just turn it by hand. To loosen it up. So now we're just going to clean off the mating surface here. We're going to grab a little bit of oil and rub it on the seal here. And now we're going to just turn the filter. Right about there. And once you finish with the oil filter, just behind that you'll see the oil pan and the drain plug right there. So this here is a 15mm socket. Once your oil's down to a dribble, go ahead and put it in the drain plug. Clean off any residue, and we're all done underneath. Now the cap here does recommend we use 5W20, so we're going to be using Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W20. This says protects 20,000 miles. Do not believe that. Always, I recommend you change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months. Now because of the weird angle that we are at right here, as the engine's tilted towards the front and it's really close to the front, it makes putting in oil in here very hard. Highly recommend we use a funnel. So I have an adapter kit that screws onto the cap here. If you want to use the same one I'm using, I'll put a link down in the description for the tool that I'm using to put oil in here. So this is what it looks like and makes putting in oil really easy. We're going to be using 6 quarts of the 5W20. With the oil service completed, we're going to perform the reset of the engine oil light. We're going to go ahead and turn on ignition. And you'll see the percent life at 0. You can press hold the OK button to reset straight from the main screen. So right here you press and hold and you're all set. So if you're here in the main screen, we're going to be using the buttons right here on the steering wheel. OK to select and left and right to go through the menu. So we're going to scroll down to settings, hit the right arrow, select vehicle, right arrow, select oil life reset, right arrow, and then you can go ahead and hold the OK button to reset. So that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, hit that subscribe button. As always, I will see you in the next one.